Disposable Circumcision Stapler. Use a measuring ruler to choose the right model of stapler. Routine disinfection, local anesthesia, sacral anesthesia, or other effective means of anesthesia. Lift the prepuce with hemostats. Screw off the adjusting nut counterclockwise. Take out the prepuce cover and put it cover the prepuce to make sure it lies at the quaternary sulcus and be on the same level. Use suture line to fix the prepuce on the pull rod and confirm the frenulum length. Pull apart the nails cover and insert the pull rod into the instrument. Screw on the adjusting nut. When the end of the pull rod is on the same level with the surface of metal insert inside the adjusting nut, the adjusting nut is in place. Remove the safety clip. Hold the handle. Fire and keep for 5 to 10 seconds. Loosen the adjusting nut and remove the stapler. Wrap it up with dry gauze and bind up properly with elastic bandage.